How to remove friends in Candy Crush Saga. Too many friends or someone you no longer play with. Let's remove friend from Candy Crush Saga friends list. Now where your friends are connected from. Friends in Candy Crush can be added through Facebook, King's account. It's email based and each type is removed a little differently. Removing Facebook friend. If your Candy Crush is linked to Facebook, go to Facebook account and tap see all and search your friend name and tap unfriend or remove them from the list. Result, they will automatically appear from the Candy Crush friend list, or you can tap friends and tap the friend you want to remove. You will see profile with minus button at left corner. Tap that. It will shows unfriend. If you want to remove friends, tap yes. If not, tap no. And it will remove friend immediately. And that's it. Now you have cleaned up your friend list in Candy Crush Saga. Like if this helped you and subscribe for more candy power tips. See you in the next one.